Hi, my name is Mia Valentina Rodriguez Irizarry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. And the first ingredient you'll be needing is a bowl and a spatula for all the ingredients and to mix with. The second ingredient you're going to be needing is glue. The third ingredient is shaving cream. The fourth ingredient is lotion. And the last ingredient is activator. So first, you're gonna add your glue, colored glue. The next ingredient is shaving cream. Next is lotion. And last is a little bit of activator. And you're gonna mix. It's a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of activator to please. Yeah. When you feel like it is ready, you can put your hand in and try to mix it. Mine is not ready enough. I might be needing a little bit more of shaving cream, so I'm gonna add some. More. And I want to again. I'm keep on mixing until I feel like it is ready. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue or more color. Mixing. bit more of a light. I think it's better when I do light. Because it's already mixed, but I need a little more of this. Activators still a little bit more there. A little bit more on the lotion because it's not ready yet. If you want it a little more stretchy, add lotion or shaving cream. Let's see. Perfect. Because it's not too stretchy. And I want so cool. I think I'm gonna have to mix a little more and add a little bit more of activator. Because it's a little bit too underactivated, so I'm gonna keep on mixing it until I feel like it's the right texture to play with. Lotion. I think I need more lotion. There. So pretty. Some shaving cream. Because it's a little too hard for the slime to be. You're gonna get a little messy, but it's right. A bit of activator because it's a little underactivated, but it's right. Let me get all the excess here. And I want mine to be really stretchy. Let's see. Is it almost ready? You have to see if it's stretchy enough and clicky enough. Doesn't have to be so clicky, but it has to be stretchy for it to be slime. Okay, that's a little too. Add a little bit more of shaving cream. Oh, I can put shaving cream there. For it not to be rippy. Get a little bit more of the shaving cream. Put more shaving cream. My hands are all blue. I'm gonna add a little bit more of glue because it is not color. Because the shaving cream lights the color, so it's very okay. I think I'm gonna want to add more bit, a little more lotion. And for shaving cream, I have added a lot of shaving cream still. That's alright. To be the correct texture. Because I wanted some turquoise. Later. Then I'm going to take it out and mix it. So pretty good. I just want it not to be too rippy, but okay. Let's see. So I'm gonna add a little more activator to it. I'm gonna keep on mixing until I have a good texture. It will fall off. It's pretty good textured, but not the color I want it to be. Let's see. A little too sticky. See, add it all. I'm not gonna add anything to the signage and else over it. So yeah. Don't add too much activator because then you're gonna need a little more supply, because if you add too much, it's gonna be rippy and it's gonna overactivate. Really pretty. I like the color, but it's a little sticky. So I'm gonna keep on mixing until it feels really textured. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the activator that I spilled. For it to be nice, and a little bit of lotion too, to make it stretchy. Lotion makes it stretchy, so that it feels really good. It's really good. A little sticky, so I'm gonna add a little of activator to it. Let's see. That's a little sticky, but it's alright. It's clicky, stretchy, I guess. So I'm gonna keep on kneading it until I like the texture. A little more lace. And also a little more. I'm gonna mix it up first to see if I like the texture. If not, I'm gonna add a little more activator because I really want it to be nice. I'm gonna get white because my hands are all crazy. Okay. So the slime turned out pretty good. Pretty clicky, stretchy, a little crunchy. So you want those feelings in your slime. So it turned out pretty good. And now we're gonna get somewhere to put it in, and we're gonna put it inside where we're gonna put it in. So you're gonna put it in. You can play with it. It turned out really good. And I love the color. You can also do the same slime or a different color slime. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.